In this video, we're going to talk about the ultimate guide to overcoming obstacles and achieving success. We'll discuss the importance of setting goals, having a positive attitude, and being persistent. First, let's talk about setting goals. When you set goals, you give yourself something to strive for. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your journey. When setting goals, make sure they are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Next, let's talk about having a positive attitude. A positive attitude will help you overcome any obstacle that comes your way. When you have a positive attitude, you're more likely to see the silver lining in every situation. You're also more likely to be creative and find solutions to problems. Finally, let's talk about being persistent. Persistence is key when it comes to achieving success. There will be times when you want to give up, but don't. If you keep going, you will eventually reach your goals. In this video, we're going to talk about identifying the obstacles that are holding you back from achieving your goals. There are two main types of obstacles: internal obstacles and external obstacles. Internal obstacles are those that come from within yourself. These can include things like self-doubt, fear, and procrastination. External obstacles are those that come from outside of yourself. These can include things like financial constraints, lack of resources, and unsupportive people. It's important to be aware of both your internal and external obstacles. Once you know what they are, you can start to develop strategies to overcome them. Here are some tips for overcoming internal obstacles. Challenge your negative thoughts. When you find yourself thinking negative thoughts, challenge them. Ask yourself if there's any evidence to support your thoughts. If not, let them go. Set realistic goals. When you set goals that are too ambitious, you're setting yourself up for failure. Instead, set goals that are challenging but achievable. Take small steps. Don't try to do everything at once. Break down your goals into smaller steps and take them one step at a time. Find a support system. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and support your goals. Here are some tips for overcoming external obstacles. Be creative. There's always more than one way to achieve your goals. If you're facing an external obstacle, be creative and find a way to overcome it. Be persistent. Don't give up on your goals just because you encounter a few obstacles. Keep going and you will eventually achieve them. In this video, we're going to talk about developing a plan to overcome your obstacles. The first step is to set realistic goals. When you set goals that are too ambitious, you're setting yourself up for failure. Instead, set goals that are challenging but achievable. Once you have set your goals, it's important to break them down into smaller steps. This will make them seem less daunting and more manageable. Then, you need to take action on a daily basis. Even if it's just a small step, taking action will help you move closer to your goals. Here is a step-by-step plan for overcoming your obstacles. 1. Set realistic goals. 2. Break down your goals into smaller steps. 3. Take action on a daily basis. 4. Celebrate your successes. 5. Learn from your failures. By following this plan, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your goals. In this video, we're going to talk about staying motivated and never giving up on your goals. The first step is to find a support system. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and your goals. They will be there to encourage you when you're feeling down and to celebrate your successes with you. It's also important to celebrate your successes. When you achieve a goal, take some time to reflect on your accomplishment and give yourself a pat on the back. This will help you stay motivated and keep moving forward. Finally, learn from your failures. Everyone fails at some point in their lives. The important thing is to learn from your mistakes and move on. Don't let failure stop you from achieving your goals. Here are some tips for staying motivated and never giving up on your goals. Find a support system. Celebrate your successes. Learn from your failures. Set realistic goals. Break down your goals into smaller steps. Take action on a daily basis. Don't give up. By following these tips, you can stay motivated and achieve anything you set your mind to.